Did you know that loud noises can actually stop cows from giving milk? After events like fireworks or storms, dairy farmers have reported noticeable drops in milk production. Why? Because cows are super sensitive to stress. Even sounds above 70 decibels, like loud traffic or shouting, can throw off their system. A stressed-out cow doesn't eat, doesn't rest, and doesn't give much milk. So yeah, a peaceful moo equals more moo elk.